Hello, this is Candance. So as I have been saying that this is a new journey for me with having sister locks. And so I will be sharing some of this journey with you all as well. And so I'm going to show you how what I do as far as tying my hair and moisturizing my scalp so that it can stay, moisturized and not be itching. I can feel it itching, especially today and yesterday. And I know that that means that it's growing as well as it may be dry too. And my hair, which is 3C type, it can get dry often. So just wanted to just show you this simple procedure as I'm learning on this journey what I do for moisturizing my locks. So, okay. So first I'm going to tie them. So I'll probably braid them tonight. Last night I twisted them. So tonight I'm going to braid them and then moisturize it with the oil. And then directly spray on your scalp and not on the ends. So you can just watch as I'm doing this. They're not perfect, but it's all right. For the most part, it's braided. It's tied down. Okay, now I'm going to use this oil that was given to me after my my install. And so this oil is mixed with different oils and water. So if you don't have this specific oil, you can use any oil, but just make sure to mix it with water and then spray it directly on your scalp and not on the ends. Put your silk bonnet on, and then you're ready for bed. All right, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye.